Yo guys, Donkin Dave here, and I have something I want to show you. It's our new bike. This is a Honda CB500X, and as you can see, it's not quite ready to go on the road, but I bought this bike cheap at a salvage handling facility, and just like I did with my FC1, I have some work to do on it. But this bike right here was most likely a bike owned by an inexperienced operator, hence the temporary tag, and he probably, or she probably, got in a situation that was too hot for them, and so they crashed it. So what I will do is I will replace these forks and replace the fender, and this bike will be roadworthy. And as you can see, there's some other issues. It's got some road rash there, it's got some road rash down there. The radiator is fine. It's holding plenty of fluid. It's got a little bit of trash right there, a little bit of rash. The shifter was bent, and I bent that back. And what else? Everything else is fine up here. Got a little bit of rash right here on the grab bars, but besides that, the bike is solid. And moving around again, got a little bit of rash right there on the muffler, and the brake pedal needed to be bent back out, so that was fine. So what I did is I brought this home, got it off the trailer, made sure that the radiator was good, charged up the battery, made sure that the oil was there. Oops, what's going on here?
A few moments later.
We'll try that again. Come up here, make sure it's charged up. And presto, we have ignition. Now this is a two-cylinder parallel twin, and it sounds like a sewing machine when it's running, but I've got some plans for it, and you'll have to follow me with my build and see what I do with this bike. It's gonna be fun. Donkin Dave out.